Ready?
Happy birthday
Day
to
you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Amy. Happy birthday to you. Woo,
Yay! You're
Yay!
How old are you?
Yay! One!
You're
She did the
Yay!
one! Yay!
Oh yeah, that's yummy.
Ooh, go! Ah!
Touch it.
Dig
you
in!
ready?
Yay! Yay! Oh! Ooh! Is it? She's not gonna go for it.
You got a little chocolate on your finger. Yeah.
You could do it. Yay!
Yay! You gotta get to eat some.
This might take longer than we thought. Oh.
Ready? Look, baby.
Well,
Ready? Yum, 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 yum. Ready? Now you do it.
should probably turn the TV off. Yay! She puts everything else in her mouth, but not the cake.
I don't think she likes how it feels on her.
Oh, that was a good shot.
Good job.
That was a good karate chop. Yay!
Emmy.
There you go. Ooh.
Yeah, that's good. That's chocolate. Yeah. Amelia.
Yay!
Are you gonna try some more?
Go for it. Oh. Daddy needs some cake too.
Hi, is it yummy?
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Well, you barely got any, but you got it all over your face pretty good. She's gonna get her feet in the cake.
It's good, I know.
You can't eat it if you're kicking it.
It's good, yeah.
Oh. Oh, big handful.
There you go. Do you want a piece of the cake? How about some cake, huh? Look. Here, how about this piece? What's this? Here. There you go.
Ah.
Mom. Hey, Daddy, that's my cake.
Oh, now it's just rolling it. Good?
Were they yummy?
Well, go give Mommy a big hug. Say, Mommy, don't you love me?
Where you going with your cake? Emmy, bring your cake over here. Daddy wants some.
Mommy wants a big hug.
Amelia.
Don't bring that in there.
Hey.
Alright, I think that's all she wrote for this movie. Bye. Happy birthday, Amy.
Did you see what she did?
She didn't turn upside down, did she? She pulled out the bottom, right? Alright. Bye.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Yay.